This is 2017 का second question paper for NDA. We're starting with the first part of it. The discussion was wound up. Wound up again is a phrasal verb. Remember phrasal verbs. Very important part, phrasal verbs. We have a long list of practice verbs and study material as well here at our physical branch in Indore. Make sure to come visit us. Stay here in Indore with us. It's the best city to be in right now. It's the spiritual epicenter henceforth of this universe. Come and join us to serve the nation in the best way possible. So wound up देखेंगे हम. The discussion was wound up after a long and fruitful exchange. Wound up क्या है? Concluded. अब यहाँ पे abruptly wound up, जैसे wind up कहते हैं उसमें pack up, wind up, to wind something up, to wind something up. दो मतलब होते हैं wind up के. एक तो wind up होता है वो चाबी भरना. तीन मतलब होते हैं. To wind up मतलब चाबी भरना किसी खिलौने में, जो खिलौना फिर चाबी भर के चलता है. To wind up something. To wind up a clock as well. Old clocks you will know we used to wind up so that it keeps running according to the mechanism. Then we wind someone up. किसी और को भी आप किसी को wound up कर सकते हो, आप फंसा सकते हो किसी चीज में, या उसको परेशान कर सकते हो, चिंतित उसको उलझा सकते हो किसी चीज में. Or you can wind up with your work. That means अपना काम conclude कर सकते हो, खत्म कर सकते हो. So here the discussion was wound up. So obviously concluded. The discussion was wound up. We're talking about the discussion. Discussion को आप conclude ही करोगे. Postpone, cut short, interrupted नहीं है. Cut short नहीं कहेंगे, क्यों? क्योंकि after a long and fruitful exchange, अगर लंबा fruitful exchange हुआ है तो cut short थोड़ी ना हुआ है, तो conclude हुआ है. He was fully alive to the need for making adjustments. Alive to means aware of. कि वो पूरी तरह से उसकी ओर अवेयर था, उसको पता था, वो जागरूक था वो उसके प्रति, उसको पता था कि यहाँ पे एडजस्टमेंट्स करने की आवश्यकता है. द पुलिस ऑफिसर ट्राइड टू इंटिमिडेट द विटनेस बट इन वेन. इंटिमिडेट मतलब फ्राइटन, उसको परेशान, डराना is frightened. The police officer tried to intimidate the witness but in vain. Intimidate मतलब frighten the witness but in vain. But in vain मतलब बिना सक्सेस के. बट इन वेन मतलब बिना सक्सेस के, कि कोई उसका फायदा, बिना फायदे के. बट इन वेन व्यर्थ में. बट इन वेन व्यर्थ में. तो इंटिमिडेट करने की कोशिश की, फ्राइटन करने की कोशिश की, व्यर्थ में. वी मस्ट अडॉप्ट ड्रास्टिक मेजर्स. ड्रास्टिक इज सिवियर मतलब बहुत कड़े, बहुत सख्त हमें कदम उठाने होंगे टू कंट्रोल पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ. पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ कंट्रोल करने के लिए क्या सख्त मेजर्स हो सकते हैं मुझे नहीं पता. बहुत इतने भी सख्त मेजर नहीं होने चाहिए. कोई बात नहीं, पॉपुलेशन की ऐसी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. आई थिंक वी शुड हैव एज मेनी किड्स एज वी कैन टेक केयर ऑफ एंड रियली जस्ट bring good human beings into the world. He is extremely meticulous. Meticulous मतलब very careful about something. Meticulous. The experts minute examination. ये minute examination, ये minute याद रखिएगा. Spelling same होती है, homograph है, spelling same होती है, पर pronunciation different है. Minute. The experts minute examination brought to light some important clues. Minute मतलब यहाँ पे detailed, कि बहुत detailed, बहुत nuanced, बहुत एकदम specific, intricate, meticulously researched. Meticulously पीछे मैंने देखा था, बहुत detailed और वो carefully researched है. तो detailed. Now you got the decision of the Union government to repeal the Urban Land Ceiling Act has been welcomed by all. Repeal मतलब भाई हटाना, cancel, repeal, हटाना उसको, law को. All right. This is his maiden appearance on the screen. Maiden के दो मतलब होते हैं. Maiden एक होता है कुंवारी महिला, और यहाँ पे maiden appearance मतलब पहली appearance. So first, maiden appearance on the screen, first appearance, debut जिसको कहते हैं हम. That is also what it means, maiden appearance. At the end of the marathon, everybody was exhausted. Exhausted मतलब एकदम tired, थके हुए, fatigued. Fatigued is also a word for it. Fatigued. So tired, exhausted. Then we've got, he gave me a counterfeit. Counterfeit मतलब नकली, जाली, fake. Yeah? Counterfeit coin. Counterfeit means नकली, fake. So 10th B. All right. Let's get on to antonyms now. Again, 10. See, 20 questions already, almost of vocabulary only, solely. You must see how NDA has evolved over the years. Now it asks a lot of questions from grammar and comprehension as well, and not just focusing on vocabulary. They're evolving. It's becoming more interesting, exciting, exhilarating, the English language examination. I'm loving it. I hope, sure do hope that you are as well. My mother has been working hard for the last 2 weeks and she feels run down. अच्छा, run down, she feels run down मतलब exhausted. Exhausted का opposite हमें बताना है, तो energetic. So 11th का यहाँ पे आंसर होगा B, energetic. The president condemned the act of violence during the celebration of the festival. There was act of violence. Violence means हिंसा. हमें हिंसा का opposite बताना है. तो here it will be sobriety. Sobriety is peace. Sobriety means, so sobriety is an actual opposite of inebriation. Inebriation मतलब नशे में होना, नशा मुक्त होना मतलब सोबर होना. तो sobriety is नशे में ना होना. तो violence, the act of violence, act of sobriety. Sobriety यहाँ पे सभ्यता हो जाएगा. सभ्यता भी मतलब हो सकता है उसका. तो वायलेंस का ऑपोजिट हो जाएगा सभ्यता. वहाँ पे एक्ट ऑफ वायलेंस थे, वहाँ पे असभ्य व्यवहार हुआ था, अभी सभ्य व्यवहार की बात कर रहे हैं. तो स्टूडेंट्स मेड अ जेनरस कंट्रीब्यूशन. जेनरस मतलब बहुत ज्यादा खुला दिल का, बहुत ज्यादा पैसे, मतलब अच्छे खासे पैसे दिए थे. ऑपोजिट हो जाएगा निगार्ड. निगार्ड व्हिच मींस माइजरली एज वेल. दैट मींस नॉट गिविंग इनफ. स्पेंडथ्रिफ्ट इज आल्सो द सेम एज जेनरस. स्पेंडथ्रिफ्ट मतलब जो फर्जी में, लाविश, फर्जी में पैसे खर्च करता है. ही वाज जस्ट आइडल बाय टेम्परामेंट. आइडल मतलब सुस्त, मतलब हिलना विलना नहीं, एक ही जगह बैठे रहना. आइडल, हिलना ही नहीं. तो आइडल बाय टेम्परामेंट. आइडल का ऑपोजिट क्या हो जाएगा? इंडस्ट्रियस. इंडस्ट्रियस मतलब हमेशा जो काम पे लगा होता है, हमेशा कुछ काम कर रहा होता है, हमेशा कुछ मेहनत कर रहा होता है. मोस्ट ऑफ द डिसीजंस टेकन बाय द ऑफिसर वर अनजस्ट. अनजस्ट मतलब अन्याय पूर्ण, न्याय नहीं थे. तो करेक्ट ऑपोजिट हो जाएगा करेक्ट. इम्बेसिल होता है कोई बुरा व्यक्ति. लीनियंट मतलब थोड़ा लीनियंसी दिखाना, विनम्रता दिखाना, जाने देना चीजों को, इतना स्ट्रिक्ट ना होना. ऑपोजिट होता है स्ट्रिक्ट उसका. सीरियस का ऑपोजिट जोवियल. सीरियस आपको पता ही होगा, मजाक का ऑपोजिट जोवियल होता है, वो उसका मतलब जो ऑपोजिट होगा उसका सीरियस का. ही इज अ लविंग फादर एंड टेक्स ग्रेट डिलाइट. डिलाइट मतलब बहुत खुश होना इन हिज चिल्ड्रन. सो ही टेक्स ग्रेट डिससैटिस्फैक्शन और डिसगस्ट. डिसगस्ट विल बी द बेस्ट थिंग हियर. डिलाइट का ऑपोजिट डिसगस्ट. डिलाइट मींस बहुत ज्यादा खुश होना. डिसगस्ट मतलब निंदा, मतलब घृणा होना, उसकी तरफ छी वाला भाव होना कि मुझे इससे घिन आ रही है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, शी वॉज क्वाइट कंसर्न्ड अबाउट हिज सन्स करियर. कंसर्न मतलब बहुत चिंतित थी उससे. सो शी वॉज इनडिफरेंट. इनडिफरेंट मतलब कोई मतलब नहीं था उसको उस चीज से. तो शी वॉज इनडिफरेंट. 17th B. 18th, they are confident of success. Confident opposite diffident. So exact opposite of confident is diffident. 18C. Number 19th, we carried on the search for the missing person. Carried on again is a phrasal verb. You'll see carried on मतलब लगे रहे, continue की हमने. तो we called off. Called off उसका opposite होगा. We carried on, we called off. Called off मतलब मना कर दिया, बंद कर दी, खत्म कर दी. Called off. 20. This TV has been indigenous components, has many indigenous. Indigenous मतलब made in the place where it is being talked about. Domestic. उसी जगह की. तो opposite हो जाएगा foreign. Foreign, domestic, foreign. You must know that. International, right? So 20B is the correct option. Alright. Let's get into, this is an exciting, interesting part. Selecting words is called a closed composition. So what happens is, there's one composition and there are blanks that you need to fill, which have 4 options or 3 maybe sometimes. Here there are 4 and you have to choose which one suits perfectly, fits perfectly with them. So after this incident, I went to Nainital and returned after nearly a month. I had taken off my clothes when I saw Gangu standing by. Standing, I taken off to definitely taken off my clothes. I had barely taken off my clothes. So I hadn't done it. I barely taken off my clothes when I saw Gangu standing with a new baby. So B, C, C. Then we have, he was bursting with joy. Not dancing, singing. He was holding a baby, so he can't be jumping, dancing or singing with joy. He was bursting with joy. मतलब एकदम भरा हुआ था वो, गदगद हो रहा था प्रसन्नता से. Even Nanda not have such joy. Felt such joy. तो felt होना चाहिए 26th का. और even Nanda could not have felt such joy. Even Nanda, let's see. So even Nanda could not have, yes. Even Nanda could not have felt such joy at getting Krishna. His face had the same glow that comes on the face of a starved man after a full meal. Yes. So 28th, the glow that appears, alright, that appears on a hungry man, starved man. And we've got starved. Yes. So we have, even Nanda could not have felt such joy at getting Krishna. His face had the same glow that appears on the face of a starved man after a full meal. भूखे. तो नंदा भी ने भी उतनी खुशी नहीं महसूस की होगी कृष्णा को पाकर उसके चेहरे पर वैसी ही चमक थी जो आती है किसी भूखे आदमी के एक भरपेट भोजन करने के पश्चात. With the 31st question in ordering of words in a sentence. So always remember, in ordering of words in a sentence, all you need to do is look at the options along with. You must look at the options along with and try to figure out. Alright, so it can either start with any of them. Let's figure out obvious pairs. The spirit of man has slowly and painfully surmounted, maybe, and his growing intelligence, can't be. Can't start with Q. The spirit of man and his growing intelligence, maybe. The spirit of man has faced all kinds of dangers. The spirit of man, all the obstacles that have come in his way, can't start with R. Can start with Q, let's say. Can start with Q for now. Let's see which makes most sense. The spirit of man and his growing intelligence has slowly, not has. Agar and his growing intelligence, it has become a plural. Now it should be have. So Q, P cannot be the answer. Now we look at S, Q, P, R. Let's start with S. The spirit of man has faced all kinds of dangers and his growing intelligence has slowly and painfully surmounted all the obstacles that have come in his way. It makes sense. B. Let's just make sure D doesn't make sense. The spirit of man has slowly and painfully surmounted all the obstacles that have come in his way and his growing intelligence has faced all kinds of dangers. Well, it's not incorrect. The spirit of man has faced all kinds of dangers and his growing intelligence has slowly and painfully surmounted all obstacles that have come in his way. B seems to be the best option. It makes the most sense. PRQS though might be grammatically correct. The spirit of man has slowly and painfully surmounted all the obstacles that have come in his way. It has. And his growing intelligence has faced all kind of dangers. No, actually the spirit of man has faced all kind of dangers and his growing intelligence has slowly and painfully surmounted all obstacles that have come in his way. So the dangers were not faced by the intelligence, the dangers were faced by the spirit of man. And the intelligence has grown slowly and painfully, surmounting the obstacles that have come in his way. Alright, surmounting means overcoming. So B is the best option here. Let's look at 32. After our school boys had won a well-contested hockey match, so that they might communicate the news, can't start with P. After our school boys had won a well-contested hockey match, who is a keen sportsman, can't start with Q. After our school boys had won a well-contested hockey match, they came to school in high spirits, can start with R, maybe. After our school boys had won a well-contested hockey match and takes a very, can't start with S. Has to start with R. RPQS must be the answer. Just to confirm, let's see. After our school boys had won a well-contested hockey match, they came to school in high spirits so that they might communicate the news of the victory to the headmaster, who is a keen sportsman and takes a very lively interest in school games. Absolutely correct. Let's move on to the next one. Alright, so we see 33rd A is the correct option. PSRQ, even a leisurely game like cricket demanding grace rather than strength can cause much ill will, as we saw in the controversy over bodyline bowling and over the rough tactics of the Australian team that visited England in 1921. As we say, cricket is a game of gentlemen played by hooligans, and it is the misfortune of my country that most of us are so passionately involved in such a wasteful activity. Scientists point out, what do the scientists point out? Of sunspot activity, can't start with P. Scientists point out that it is an aftermath that has now reached, point out that it is an aftermath, can maybe start with Q, let's see, can start with R. The scientists point out has now, cannot start with R. Alright, scientists point out that it is an aftermath that has now reached its peak. It is the aftermath that has now reached its peak of the 11-year cycle of sunspot activity. So Q, R, P of the sunspot activity of 11-year cycle. QR, QSPR or QRSP, aftermath that of the 11-year cycle also doesn't make sense. Q, that is the aftermath that has now reached its peak. That it is an aftermath. I think the UPSC made a mistake with this sentence because it doesn't make sense. QRPS, QSPR, either of them. What makes the most sense is QSPR. Let's see. The scientists point out of the 11 year. They can't point out of the, point out that it is an aftermath of the 11-year cycle. So you cannot have that here, that it is an aftermath of the 11-year cycle of sunspot activity that has now. So that should come in R. R में आना चाहिए था, ये that जो Q में उन्होंने डाला हुआ है गलती से, वो R में आना चाहिए था, तब D ऑप्शन सही हो जाता. So the scientists point out that it is an aftermath of the 11-year cycle of sunspot activity that has now reached its peak. कभी कभी गलती हो जाती है यूपीएससी से भी, कोई बात नहीं. After all, there are humans who are working there. As the ship streams from San Diego, ठीक है, let's see. As the ship streams from San Diego is a place. As ship streams, it starts. As walls of grey water doesn't make sense. P couldn't start with P, can't start with Q, making the greener among us miserable. Those of us aboard have a personal demonstration of powerful ocean movement. Those of us aboard have a personal demonstration of powerful ocean movement. As walls of grey, so SP, as walls of grey water from a distant storm in the North Pacific, rock and toss the ship, making the greener among us miserable with seasickness. So C is the correct option here. SPRQ, 35th. Let's move on to the next part of the paper now. Spotting errors. Alright, so 36th. We got an electric current is the complete path traversed by electric current. An electric circuit is the complete path traversed by electric current. No error in this. That is how it is. He waved us a bye-bye. Bye-bye नहीं बेटा, bye-bye नहीं होता है. BYE होता है. And bye-bye was also not a correct way of saying that in formal English. You should say, he waved us a goodbye. So 37A is the correct option. 38th. There was a great deal that had to be scrapped, that must be scrapped, but surely India could not have been what she undoubtedly was, and could not have continued a cultured existence for thousands of years. There was a great deal. So there was a great deal. Not great deal, there was great deal. गलत बात, गलत है grammar में. There was a great deal is what it should be. 39th. With regard to interior decoration, it is the attention given to the less overt aspects of using space that give it life and identity or quality, that make it exciting and unusual. That gives it. Why? Because with regard to interior, it is the attention. The attention is the main subject. The attention given to the less overt aspects of using space, that gives it. Gives it. So the attention gives it. वो singular है, तो singular verb लगेगा. 39th का B is the correct option. 40th. A small parcel of novels is better than none. A small parcel of novels is better than none. It's absolutely correct. 40 का D. Small parcel is singular, तो is लगेगा. Novels के लिए नहीं है ये, small parcel के लिए है. Alright, sweet. We're going to move ahead now to fill in the blanks. You'll see how suddenly we have everything based, grammar based mostly. So vocabulary would be a section, grammar would be a section, comprehension would be a section. जो arrangement of sentences are, that is comprehension. He looks as if he is wary. 41st day, he as if he were. Alright, so he looks as if he were wary. As if he were the subjunctive mood. You'll remember the subjunctive mood. That if I were a butterfly. Yes, that is the subjunctive mood that is being used here. 41st D, he looks as if he were wary. 42nd, my house is insured against theft and fire. You insure something against damage. So whatever kind of damage you fear that property might incur or go through, all you have to use is the preposition against. That your house is insured against theft and fire. So your bike is insured, let's say, against accidental coverage or whatever. Against accidents, not accidental coverage. Cannot be insured against accidental coverage. That means that you will not get the coverage. That is what it is insured against. Doesn't make sense. The result of the prolonged discussion was disappointing. Was disappointing. So disappointing is the verb used as an adjective here. The result of the prolonged discussion was disappointing. A disappointing end. Disappointing is the correct option here. You are lucky to be born. To have been born. You are lucky to have been born in the 20th century. 44th B. You are lucky to have been born in the 20th century. Though you are born in the 21st century, mostly probably, I'm sure people who are preparing for the NDA now or henceforth, anybody who would be looking at this for the preparation of NDA itself would be born in the 21st century. 20th century is the previous century for you. Alright, Sita is true to her words. True to her words मतलब जो कहती है वो करती है. To be true to your words. That is an idiom as well. Phrase true to your words. Be true to your words means do what you say you will do. Alright. Years have passed since I last saw her last. Years have passed since I saw her last. So have passed. 46th A. 47th. When he heard the terrible noise, he asked me what was going on. What was going on? What's going on? What's going on? Yes, what was happening? What was happening on नहीं? On नहीं होता तो happening होता. What was happening? What was going on? Alright. और getting on का मतलब काम चलाना यार. We're getting on. Alright. और getting on किसी चीज के ऊपर चढ़ना. So could you lend me some money? I am very short of cash at the moment. What you do is you be short of cash. You become short of cash. You get short of cash. ये कम हो गए पैसे आपके पास अगर कम है ना short of cash. नगद कम हो गया आपके पास. I saw her when she was standing by the side of the old statue. Alright. So by the side of the old statue is the correct option here. I saw her when she was standing by the side of the old statue. And then we have true friends never desert their loved ones in adversity. कि परेशानी में कभी छोड़कर नहीं जाते हैं अकेला. तो desert is the best one here, which means छोड़ देना उसको, भाग जाना, छोड़ के भाग जाना. Alright, so that was that for today. That were conjunctions as well. Make sure you're revising all the lectures, previous lectures, to consolidate your understanding of English as we move ahead. It was lovely having you with me. I will see you in the next one.